You are watching Stay on Code. Visit our website, stayoncode.com. Become part of the discussion, join our blog, and visit our shops.
It's the objective for us to save lives, right? And to wear your seatbelt. Wear your seatbelt is one of those things that we would have to or want to make sure our police officers are carrying the seatbelt or wearing the seatbelts. The reality is we are exempt from having to wear our seatbelts in some of the cases, right?
Yes.
So let me ask you this: is that there are citizens that, you know, if you're in an emergency, like a lot of the cops will take off their seatbelts in the middle of the night when there's no traffic out in the middle of the road because they're patrolling the neighborhood. It's dark and being nosy, whatever you want to call it. That's part of our job. Our job is kind of to be nosy.
Absolutely.
You know? So they'll take off their seatbelts because, you know, if they're going to get in a foot pursuit, they want to be tied up. Or if they're going to get in a shooting or something bad happen, they don't want to be tied up or jammed up with their seatbelts. So yeah, do they take it off? Absolutely. If they take it off during the normal course of their duty, we would tell them to put it back on.
Put your seatbelt on, man. What? Put your seatbelt on, man. What? Good job, guys. I respect that. That's Los Angeles.
Go ahead.
LAPD right there, respecting the code. Good job, guys.
There you go.
Stay safe, guys.
Happy New Year to you, man.
Happy New Year, boss.
Hey, take care.
God bless you.
God bless you too.
I'm gonna make sure you got your seatbelt on in a minute before you leave.
Okay, you didn't think you'd be doing this today.
Happy holidays, guys!
Happy New Year. Be safe. Thank you. Thank you. Watch out.
Better than your average Saturday? Yeah, but most days, yeah, right. Did you guys get a call? Or did someone just run you out? Your windows when I'm coming to the street. No, it's... Yeah, no. You're glad that you guys are able to come. Thank you very much. The guy here is like really mad about the patch car.
Have a good day. How about you? No seatbelt for you?
Give me a second, we're not leaving yet.
Oh, okay, great. Making sure. Good job, Long Beach.
We're gonna put you in my car, and I'll see if Officer Costa is working today and I'll call.
No,
Okay,
I
you can talk to him over speakerphone.
no, I don't know about that. I mean, it's not just one officer can help with the situation because you guys were here on the phone. And
I mean, I don't want to have to like drag you out of the car.
you're not gonna drag me.
Well, then
You're not gonna drag me at all. I don't even know why you said that.
Well, because you're not cooperating.
I have my rights, okay?
You want to sit here.
Other than that, is there anything else that's been said
And you want
from
to stay in this car?
the phone call that was made, or
And you want to stay in this car?
I want to go home?
Okay, we got to get out of the car.
You said you were gonna put me in another car. I want to go home.
Okay, that's not how we stay.
Yes, it is.
Okay?
Yes,
So,
it is.
We're going to end up having to put hands on you.
That wasn't the
No.
truth. Her phone call and whatever threats were made, she threatened me and she's in there still.
Well, you know that, I mean, then you need to stop
It's
coming
not
over.
mutual.
If you don't agree with what your mom's saying, you need to stop coming over.
You know what? There's a lot of other stuff going on with people, and that's their business and stuff, but I need to stop coming over. Other than that,
Amanda,
oh,
my name is Officer, okay? This is my part. I want to try to explain to you one
you
time.
guys just want me to go to jail or,
No,
or the
listen,
hospital,
we're-
please? I just want to leave.
We're not going to jail. You understand that? But we are going to the hospital.
I don't need the
Hold on a
hospital,
second.
please.
Hear
I
me
was
out.
scared
Hear
of
me out,
that.
because we're not going to be here 10, 15 minutes trying to negotiate this situation out, okay? 5150.5 says that your mom made statements about you. And based on those statements, we have the right to take you to the hospital. We're taking you to the hospital. If you wish to fight your mom in court and take her to sue her, you're welcome to do that, okay? But you are going to the hospital. There is a restraining order on file, and you know it. Look, I get it. There's a restraining order. If you don't like it, don't come around here no more, and you save yourself the headache, okay? You're in cuffs. We're taking you into that car, and we're going to the hospital. Just get this over. Because if not, then we got to start getting. We got to pull you out.
Can I be voluntary to the hospital?
You can't. So do us a favor. Just slide down now, and let's just get going. Please. Okay? Come on, you can do it. We're just going to that car right there, okay?
It's safe, though. It's a
safe.
lot of other
Look it,
stuff
we
I'm
got
gonna
5 police officers here. 4. Counted 4. You're safe, okay?
Are you gonna bob your head again to the music in the car? You know the reason why I've been over here
Why?
longer? Because I
understand. Your mom, but you guys got a bad history, okay? That has to stop. You got to go off on your own, or you're going to end up in jail for a long time. You got to start deciding for yourself, okay? She doesn't want you here. She doesn't. If the judge told you don't show up,
because
and
the
she
other
lets you
officer said he wasn't.
okay, but there was one, which means that she can get another one, okay?
No, but that's not
Okay, all right, so then I get that. That's besides the point, all right? You had an incident with your mom. You don't have to talk about it. You got the camera guy to it. But like I said, you're here because of what she said, all right? You want to stop getting to the hospital? You got to just go off on your own. Find your own way.
What's so funny about this?
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here we go with a seatbelt check. It's the moment we all been waiting for. Hey man, you not gonna wear your seatbelt? You not gonna put on your seatbelt? You not gonna wear your safety belt, officer? Hey, this guy not wearing a seatbelt, officer. You not gonna write him up? Oh, wow. There you have it, Long Beach Police Department, ladies and gentlemen. Blocking the street, no seatbelt. There you have it. No seatbelt for nobody. We're recording everything. Oh, there we go, one seatbelt. No seatbelt for you? Good job, officer.